Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best tactical knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Tactical Knives. Tactical is a word that gets thrown around a lot when it comes to modern pocket knives. Well, pocket knives and a lot of other things. A trip to AliExpress and you can find tactical bracelets, pens, boots, rings, axes, lights, hairpins, probably even toilet seats and owls. It's the kind of word that people know what you mean when you say it, but defining it isn't so cut and dried. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army Multitool Tinker Pocket Knife. Made in Switzerland, Victorinox provides a lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship. Making a lifetime commitment has never been so easy. Main features: durable construction, compact carry, trusted quality. Number 4. Swiss Safe 3-in-1 Army and Military Tactical Knife. Solid steel superstructure with lightweight milled and safety liner lock provide long-lasting durability and perfect weight balance while ensuring safety during use. Main features: lightweight aluminum handle, multifunction, 100% guarantee. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Assisted Folding Tactical Knife. Smith & Wesson focuses on creating knives that are ready for all situations. Whether you are a knife collector, will be the tool you can rely on in any situation. Main features: high carbon steel, length of 3.6 inches, quick and easy access. Number 2. Swiss Safe 3-in-1 EMT/E.M.S. Tactical Knife. 5 inches folded length, includes convenient pocket clip for multiple attachment options. Spring-assisted blade provides more secure opening while allowing one-handed operation. Main features: lightweight aluminum, 100% guarantee, multifunction. Number 1. KINGMAX Pocket Knife, Multitool Tactical Knife. The Multitool pocket knife is made of 440C stainless steel with premium hardness and rust resistance. The knife multifunctional knife sports a sleek, stealth look. Main features: stainless steel multitool, designed for safety, easy to carry. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.